Hey guys, today I'll show you how to delete all your TikTok watch history using this easy procedure. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. This account currently has so many watch history that I'm no longer interested in watching. Now let me delete them so I can start afresh. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and select Activity Center. Select Watch History. As you can see, all our watch history has been deleted. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.